Let us see the next question. In a row of 26 boys, all facing the north, A is 12th from the left and B is 18th from the right hand. How many boys are there between A and B? Now this is a problem in which there is overlapping. Now what is overlapping? How do I say? Very simple. Let us find out. The total number of boys is given as 26. Total is 26. But position A is 12th from the left and B is 18th from the right. Normally, how do we draw a picture? We draw a picture like this. This is the normal form. A, there are some between A and B, there are some people, persons, and there are some persons after B. This is the normal model. Now, if you apply here, this A is 12th, that means there are 11 persons before A, and B is 18th. There are 17 persons after B. If you add this 17 plus 11 plus A and B, 17 plus 11 plus 2, then it is 30. 30 persons are here. But the problem says total number of persons is only 26. So this is a concept where you are thinking of simple diagram. Now this diagram will not work for this. This has to be an overlapping diagram. What is an overlapping diagram? You simply interchange the position. That's all. Now how will you draw? I will show. Wherever the position of the total number of persons in the sitting is less than the total of persons from left plus total of persons from right, then there is an overlap. Here 12 plus 18 is 30, which is more than the total of persons given in the problem itself. The problem itself says the row of boys, there are totally 26 boys. So this is not possible. Therefore, wherever you find this position, immediately you should understand this is a question involving overlapping. Suppose this number is, instead of 18, this is 30 and this is 25. 25 is less than 26 and therefore it is not a question of overlap. So wherever this total is more than the total number of persons, then that is overlapping. Now, if the problem is talking about overlapping, or if the problem relates to overlapping, how to draw the diagram? It's very simple. You draw it. Put B first, then A. After that, there are some persons. Now, let us see. Let us plot the data into this diagram. In a row of 26 boys, all facing north, A is 12th from the left. That means A is from here to here, there are 11 persons. A is 12th from the left and B is 18th from the right. B is 18th from the right. 18th means there are 17 persons. Now what is the question? How many boys are there between A and B? How many boys are there between A and B? So totally how many boys are there? Totally how many boys are there? 26. The problem itself gives it is 26. Now we can easily find out based on this. Now up to this, it is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Total number of persons is 26. 26 minus 12, there are 14 boys sitting here. Then, now we can find out very simply. What is the question? The question asks how many boys are there between A and B. Here, up to B, from the right, there are 17 persons there, and 14 plus 1, 15, plus 2, 7. So between A and B, there are 2 persons. We have already found the answer. But let us proceed further. Suppose they ask what is the total number of boys in the row. So here how many persons are there? 11 are there. 2 plus 1 3. 11 minus 3 8. 8 plus 1 9. Let us check up. 8 plus 1 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 12 plus 14 26. 26 boys are there. That is also tallying. So simply drawing this picture for overlapping, you can without any confusion draw. If I give you a big formula for this, people will get confused and arrive at wrong answer. Simple logic, common sense will arrive at the answer correctly and in a very simple manner. Because it is simple, do not underestimate. The problem with many persons is that if you teach things in a simple manner, they underestimate. Do not underestimate simple things, because one of the most difficult things in this life is to be simple. Good. So the correct answer to this question is 2. Let us take the answer. The answer is option A, 2. Now let us go to the next question.